So, meet Anna. For the next 10 minutes, we will hear from her, who literally built her career from the support desk up, right? Anna Hurko started in the technical support during a time of conflict in her hometown of Kherson, Ukraine, and rose through the ranks to become the CEO of Crocoblock, the team behind some of WordPress' most widely used dynamic plugins.
Yes.
Her journey is a powerful example of how listening closely to your users isn't just good support, it's smart product strategy. And through it all, she stayed grounded, playing guitar, painting, and learning new languages, even while relocating due to war. Now, give please a welcome to Anna Hurko with a talk, Building Support as the Core of Product.
Thank you. So I'm a little bit nervous, but not only because it's my first speech on the big stage, because I will talk about support, and it's my huge love. And I think we often don't understand the impact of support teams to our business. But as you know, all traumas and progress in life comes from childhood trauma. So we will start with it. I have started as a support team member 11 years ago, and I think it make all this story complete. Because of that first experience of being a support manager and then to become a product team, we have done a lot of things in Crocoblock and implemented the experience inside the team. I don't want to go through timeline, but it's somehow very crucial for me. And somewhere in the center, between project and product owner in the company I worked for, we launched the Crocoblock. And here I have a very cute slide with the first ever comments which our product had, and why it's related to the support and to the community, because support for me is a representative for community. And first, our plugins were launched in marketplaces. But our support team came to us saying, oh my God, customers want us to make a separate project. We need to make a separate project. And then we sat down and decided, OK, we need a separate project. And once we started Crocoblock, we started it with a Facebook community. It was like landing page and Facebook community 7 years ago. And I think with Elementor, it was the first open community. I don't remember anyone else. We were like starters for it. Like to show we don't afraid of comments, we don't afraid to communicate with our customers face to face. So for me, the project started with the support experience in the first place. And when I say that the topic is about support, it's equal as topic about the customers, because they're like going together hand by hand. Yeah. So once we started Crocoblock, we started it with 7 to 8 to 10 people. And we were trying to break all the rules which are possible to break. And you can see here that support is the customers, and you can see that all our team is a support team. How we came to it. We first launched with 10 people. We had only one support team member at that time. She's with us, Olga, so one of the green t-shirts. It was the only one support team member. What does it mean for a success project? Because we will succeed from the first day. That means we had a lot of customers and one support team member that everyone else was supporting as well. Developers, copywriters, CEO, and others. And it worked so nice for us. We had so nice feedback from customers, and we knew what we should do next and which features to launch. So we tried to implement it further. So when we started to grow our team with further support members, we didn't want to take best practices for the support, to make tiers, to make chat for simple questions, tickets for complicated questions. First rule we wanted to break is not to play ping pong with customers. Like someone comes to you in the support with a complicated question, and then it's sent to ticket system, and ticket system they say, oh no, you should wait for a bug report, and go submit that form or this form. So we created a support team who you can come, tickets or chat. It doesn't important, and just how it's comfortable to you, but all the support members are equal scalable, and they can solve all your issues. Of course, as we have complicated products, somehow now we have some technical department inside support, between support and the team itself. What it gave to us very reliable customers who love support, and customers became a part of the product as well in this way, because the second rule was not to have rules for support, so they can just come and communicate any developer or me and say the feedback. So they can say that this bullshit doesn't work, fix it right now. And they don't need to wait anymore in lines in all the systems and go above managers to know that they need to submit something and wait. So if customer comes to support, they have direct answer. And yeah, so it's just make it more easy for customers. So here we just off topic, but we invited in this stage Zoom calls as well, even if it was very expensive and risky, just to be more open, so any customer can submit a Zoom call and just to talk for a support representative. So that brings us to the third most important rule of the support team is honesty. Actually, it's inside the Crocoblock itself, to be honest, and it's what we teach to our support people first of all. Be honest with the customer. If it's our fault, say it's our fault. If it's our bug, say it's our bug. If you can't help, please just tell them you can't help. Don't send that emails. We will try our best after 22 hours or 24 hours, one more, and then at the end, go to elementary support, please. But don't do it. I love elementary, you know. Yeah, this is what we have done for our customers, and they give us back. So here I have mentioned some channels where we have customers' feedbacks from. So support team is not only about fixing bugs or helping with the troubles. I have seen that by myself when I came from support team to the product team. All the marketers and product managers were attacking me with the questions about customers, because actually if you're a good supporter, you know all the pains of your customers. So we use our support team, sorry for this word, but in a good way, to have all possible feedback from a customer to know their pains. Because, okay, we can do as well user interviews, and we can interact in WordCamps, and every customer can write me in Facebook, for example, or in Discord, or Telegram. Spanish community knows. Yeah. But we have a lot of different feedback in refund reasons, you know, just a very inspiring place, and in GitHub and so on. So we use feedback from support to improve our product itself. And I always tell the secret, but don't tell my CTO, he's not here. If you have a very nice case, very interesting, really you don't know what to do, our support can't help, you can write him in Facebook and he will help you. That's what I mean by support is not only support team, but the whole team is a support team. Yeah, so this is what we do with customers' feedback, and actually, this is the way. Yes, so all this brought us to the point that this year we made a rule. So we have done it before, but from this year, mostly all the people in Crocoblock team can go to these positions. You can see, basically it's everything only except marketing and designers from support team. So we bring new people to the support team, they teach them, we give them space to give us feedback and to work with another teams on the daily basis. And after they can go to the another positions. And that's how we have this support in the core of the product and the team, because they go further. They decide what we develop next, they test the product because they know exactly where to click to find the bug, because they know what will do the customer with it. And we have loyal team, so that gives us a lot of opportunities to have team who really knows customer and product. And yeah, and we give options for people to grow, which is very important, because you can stay in support for 10 years. I don't remember what I wanted to add here, sorry. Yeah, so this is basically almost everything I wanted to say. As well as hidden message to my presentation was not only to talk about support and importance of support, actually to bring the topic up, I need to talk about 2 hours, not so short. But the hidden message was for every support member now, just know your value, know what you can do for the company, and know that you are really important if you're involved in the process. And you can actually grow to whatever you want, to be CEO or marketer or what you want. Yeah. Thank you. It's my LinkedIn in case. Thank you.